And breaking news coming in now following the JNU student clashes over the last 2 days. Now a Delhi MP has written a letter seeking the intervention of the HRD, the Home Ministry and the Delhi Police, asking them to act against the anti-national elements in the Jawaharlal Nehru University.
ये एक तो होम मिनिस्टर साहब को मैंने लेटर दिया है, हमारे जो माननीय राजनाथ सिंह जी है, स्मृति ईरानी जी को दिया है, एचआरडी मिनिस्टर है, दिल्ली पुलिस कमिश्नर को मैंने इसके लिए स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेने के लिए कहा है कि देश विरोधी नारे जो जेएनयू में लगाए गए और जो देश विरोधी गतिविधियां चल रही है उसके खिलाफ तुरंत ही कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए। और आज शाम को 6 बजे डीसीपी साउथ जो है हमारे हौज खास में बैठते हैं, उनके यहाँ पर मैं एफआईआर लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ ये जो प्रोग्राम किन्होंने किया था उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के खिलाफ।
And based on that letter sent by Mahesh Giri, whom you just heard there, the Member of Parliament from East Delhi, Mahesh Giri sending a letter, we understand Delhi Police is likely to now file an FIR. Bhavtosh Singh joins us for the latest on that. Yes, Bhavtosh.
Well, in fact, the MP from East Delhi had met the DCP of South with a complaint, and he was informed that the complaint should be filed with the concerned police station. Now, JNU comes under Vasant Kunj North, and the MP is expected to go there and file the complaint there. But senior officers in the police headquarters have told Times Now that police have already gathered all the video footage of the that had happened in JNU, and they will be filed when they receive the complaint.
All right, thanks very much for that, Bhavtosh. They're telling us that the Delhi Police is likely to be filing that FIR in response to the complaint from Mahesh Giri. Niranjan also joins me from the news desk. Niranjan, Mahesh Giri writing that letter asking the Delhi Police, the HRD Ministry and also the Home Ministry to intervene after student clashes have clearly now become a huge political standoff.
That's right, Tina. Hyderabad University, sort of a situation where we saw that Bandaru Dattatreya had written to the centre a similar letter, this time written by Mahesh Giri, who is a member of Parliament of Lok Sabha East Delhi Parliamentary Constituency. Now, in his letter to the Home Minister, he says, as you know, that a few national educational campuses such as JNU have been misused by anti-national organizations, which is condemnable. I sincerely request Home Ministry to interfere and to give direction to the Vice Chancellor to take control over the situation and not to give permission rather to do such, to carry out such activities for anti-national organizations. A strong letter of Tina. He says, I deeply request Honourable Minister to give direction to the Delhi Police Commissioner to file an FIR against such anti-national organizations who are doing or carrying out anti-national and anti-constitutional programs on campuses. Taking strict action against such organizations in the form of FIR may send a strong message to the Indian society, which can bring a positive message to the government. Now, this letter, of course, he follows that up with another letter that's written to that's addressed to the Delhi Police Commissioner. He says in the second letter to the Delhi Police Commissioner that on the 10th of February, students of JNU clashed over an event on the issue of parliamentary attack convict Afzal Guru's death anniversary. It's an extremely unfortunate that academically highest professional and emerging leaders of Indian student community are doing an anti-national and anti-constitutional activities. Now the gist of the matter is these two letters written by a Delhi MP to the centre, to the HRD Ministry, to the Home Ministry and also to the Delhi Police. And we just heard from Bhavtosh. He confirmed to us that the centre could now file an FIR. So this situation, today of course the students of both groups, ABVP and the left affiliated DSU, continue to agitate on campus over what unfolded over the last couple of days. So following this letter, if of course the Delhi Police go ahead and file an FIR, a situation could certainly escalate the political fight and at least on campus student groups could continue to protest, and we could see the situation go get bigger than this.
Well, certainly if the FIR is filed, Niranjan, we are going to see the situation escalate. It's already become a political standoff, which started as student clashes. Remember, the ABVP students have in fact been protesting over the last 2 days over a proposed program by the DSU to screen a film which glorified the 2001 Parliament attack convict Afzal Guru.
हमारा मानना है कि इस तरह की कमेटी सिर्फ बना के ऐसे बहुत बार पहले भी हो चुका है, उस पर जितनी जल्दी हो सके उस पर एक्शन ले, नहीं तो ये मूवमेंट इस जेएनयू कैंपस से हट के इस देश की सड़कों पे पहुंचेगा। ये हमारा डिमांड है।
आपने कहा था कि आप एनएचआरडी और होम मिनिस्ट्री तक भी इस पूरे मामले को लेके जाएंगे, क्या आप आपने अभी तक कुछ चिट्ठियां लिखी हैं?
जिस तरह वीसी से हमारा डेलीगेशन मिला था उसके अनुसार उन्होंने कहा था कुछ टाइम हमें चाहिए। उस टाइम फ्रेम में आने के बाद, उस टाइम खत्म होने के बाद डेफिनेटली हम हमारा डेलीगेशन MHRD, होम मिनिस्ट्री और जहां भी जरूरत होगी हम जाके बताएंगे कि JNU कैंपस में क्या माहौल है, किस तरह एंटी नेशनल फोर्सेज यहाँ पे लगातार हावी होते जा रहे हैं।